You search for how to buy shares of Magna International Inc., and this clip shows the steps. Magna is a global automotive supplier listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MGA. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as a neutral example. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MGA to find the correct listing. Confirm the match to Magna International Inc. before proceeding. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to verify this is the right asset. Check the ticker and listing details to be sure. Choose the amount you want to invest. Review the order and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, the example link is in the description below.